Hey, everyone! Welcome back to Wealthy Coin. This month, Amazon makes Shiba Inu a $2 giant. Today's Shib news: over the last 2 weeks, the price of Shiba Inu has been going down, which buyers thought was a correction before a rise. But based on a key sign, it seems like the joke coin might be on its way to making its owners unhappy. This month, Amazon makes a Shiba Inu into a $2 giant. In this video, we'll talk about that weird news. Don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, share the video, and subscribe to the channel to see the latest Shiba Inu price forecasts and expert analysis. So, let's start the video right away. Shiba Inu price, which was selling at 1,068 cents, didn't break through the downtrend line it has been under for most of March. When the meme coin fell back on the charts after hitting the 100-day exponential moving average as support, the downtrend line was first made. On the other hand, the relative strength measure has been going up for the same amount of time. The indicator went up from the oversold zone under 30.0 and has been going up towards the neutral line at 50.0, making an uptrend line. When the price action and RSI movement are put together, it shows that a possible secret bearish divergence is forming. If this trend keeps up, the price of a Shiba Inu could go down over the next 2 trading days. This would cause the meme coin to fall to the key support at 979 cents. This would be the altcoin's lowest price in 2 months. If this support went away, Shib would keep falling until it hit a low in December 2022, which would be a 25% drop for the cryptocurrency. The buyers who recently made more than 43 trillion Shib tokens in a week would lose a lot of money if they did this. On platforms, the number of tokens available has dropped by more than $475.5 million. Usually, a drop in the number of tokens available means that people are buying them up in the short term. This drop could also mean that Shib holders are taking their coins off of exchanges and putting them in a cold wallet. But there's not much chance of that, since even when FTX fell apart 4 months ago, no drop was seen. Shiba Inu holders' move is strange, given that the network saw the most losses since June 2021. This week, the general coins went in a new direction. Chain brought up damages worth nearly 575 million Shib, which is less than $62,000, but on-chain is a lot. So, if the bearish divergence in Shiba Inu plays out and the price goes to the lows in December 2022, Shib investors would add to the losses across the network. The people who made Shiba Inu's new Layer 2 scaling solution say that the goal of the protocol is to make transfers quick and cheap. Shibarium launched its beta version earlier this month. According to new public documentation, the company hopes to achieve true decentralization by making a protocol with low or no transaction fees. Satoshi Kusama, the lead creator of Shiba Inu, Shibarium will offer low transfer fees for all projects built on the Layer 2 protocol. The goal is to process deals in seconds for less than a penny. Shibarium wants to become a safe, transparent, and scalable blockchain that can be used as a base layer for new projects. It has been called the blockchain of the people. The blockchain makes sure that creating and trading digital assets is safe and clear. It also serves as a base for the creation of decentralized applications, or dApps, such as Shib, the Metaverse, Shib.io, Shiba Eternity, and many other products, projects, platforms, and services in the Shiba Inu community as a whole. The public documents also give more information about how Shibarium burns. The document says that the burn process will start working after a certain amount of bone has been added to the protocol. ShibaSwap. This token will be used to pay Shibarium's petrol fees. When a user makes a transaction on the network, the base fee is locked on a contract on Shibarium, and the priority fee is paid to the validator. This base fee will be burned for 70% and set away for 30% to keep the network running. Once the burn contract has $25,000 worth of bones, users can start the burning process from Shibarium. Shiba Inu is being sold for 11 cents, which is a small drop. The Shiba Inu price has gone down by 0.5% in the last 24 hours, dropping to 1,054 cents on a day when the market as a whole barely moved at all. Its price has gone up by 8% since it hit a low of 0.973 30 days ago. Others. Even though the meme token has grown by an amazing 30% since the beginning of the year, and the beta launch of the Shibarium Layer 2 network was just finished earlier this month, Shib is likely to keep growing in the coming weeks, especially when the L2 has its full public launch. Its 30-day moving average and relative strength index are going down, which is a sign that it could start going up again soon. Its RSI had gone up to 40 in the last few days. Earlier in the month, it had hit 30 when it was oversold. In the same way, its 30-day average is close to dropping below its 200-day average. When that happens, the altcoin is likely to go up again. At the moment, 11 cents is a key resistance level for Shib, which it hasn't been able to pass more than a few times in the past 2 weeks. If it can break through this level for good, it's likely to go up even more. Even though Shib will probably need the market as a whole to revive at the same time. Still, the current rollout of Shibarium, which is now live in beta form, could lead to more gains for the token soon, especially when the full public launch of the Layer 2 network happens. There are two things that are very good about Shibarium. One is scientific and the other is economic. First, the Layer 2 network will lower transaction fees and increase the number of Shiba Inus, which will make the system more secure and less centralized. Second, the start of the L2 will also speed up the rate at which Shiba Inus are burned up, since 70% of the base transaction fee will be destroyed. In other words, Shibarium will cause a shortage of Shibs, which will drive up demand and the price of the coin. This effect will be bigger because Shibarium's efficiency gains will bring more people to the Shiba Inu ecosystem and its apps. This means more burns and a good effect on the price of Shibs. So, Shib prices could go up slowly over the course of the year, which will be helped by the release of Shib the Metaverse. The second is a virtual world with a Shiba Inu theme where users can buy, explore, and trade 100,595 NFT-based lands and a lot of in-game things. Its team has high hopes for the platform, which is called the future of entertainment, business, and gaming on its main website. When combined with Shibarium, it could signal a huge rise in demand for Shib, which could move up the gears and hit new levels. Shib is expected to go up to 15 cents and 20 cents because of Shibarium alone. Even if Shib, the Metaverse, doesn't come until the end of 2023, it could go up to 50 cents or even 10 cents by then. Amazon's move into NFT and Web3 is highly awaited. According to reports, the tech giant is getting ready to launch its new project next month. Sources say that around 15 sets should be available under the Amazon Digital Marketplace tab when it opens on March 24. The report said that at launch, this tab would only be offered to people in the US. But over time, Europe and the rest of the world will be able to use it. According to reports, the start has been delayed twice because of recent changes in the industry, such as the fall of FTX. Notably, Amazon's future Web3 project is not open source, which means that not everyone can look at its software code. The story said that you can only buy NFT